Hey everyone, my name is Nate Hall, and today I'm going to answer the question of do pop-ups still work? The short answer is yes. The reason you see them, even though you hate them, is because they work. People wouldn't keep pop-ups on their site unless it was converting. Now I know some traffic sources have stated that if you use pop-ups that are too intrusive, especially on mobile devices, you're going to run into problems. You know what? We still use mobile pop-ups on all of our sites and our traffic hasn't gone down. Why? Because we don't show the pop-ups right when someone comes to the site. We wait for them to be on the site for at least 20 to 30 seconds right before they're about to leave. That's when we show them a pop-up, and in essence it's a last-ditch effort to get them to put in their name and email or buy something. Pop-ups still work if you use them the right way. For example, showing a pop-up to a user leaving your site is called an exit intent or site abandonment. This has time and again proven to improve performance. Now, if you're going to create a pop-up, don't just create something that says subscribe to my newsletter or buy now. You have to do something that gives value. Someone's leaving your website because they didn't get what they were looking for. So if you don't give them something that's really valuable, you're not going to get them to convert. Whether it's an ebook, a guide, a PDF, or a white paper, it has to be something of value. If you're an e-commerce company, 10% off coupon or a free shipping offer. So think about what your visitors want and what you're not providing, and consider providing that in the exit pop-up. If you go to ampry.com and move your mouse cursor out as you're leaving, you'll notice there's a pop-up that takes up the whole screen. That's called the page takeover. It converts extremely well. Why? You've got their full attention to address their concerns or downsell them into another offer. So pop-ups still work. Use them. Show them at the right time with the right message, and you'll thank me. Start your free trial of Ampry today, and you can see the benefits on your site in as little as 15 minutes.